And let's get this little floopy leaf. Bloop. And then the rest of the stem. And voila, I have my shadow shapes. Now, now comes the fun part. I get to paint that. Now I can, if I really wanted to, I can paint this as detailed and as realistic as I wanted to, or I can go a little bit more abstract-y. And like I said, you can use this for any media. So watercolor, this is just on watercolor paper. And as you can see, I did not pay attention to the color of the flowers. It was honestly these. You can draw inspiration from them, but I didn't exactly paint what it was. I actually just started in one spot and went down with washes and just popped in colors, and I thought it was really fun. Now the other cool thing that has me thinking of this is that I now kind of want to go over top of it with masking fluid and do another big wash in the background. Maybe get a little bit more abstract. I don't know. But maybe I'll have them in space. I don't know. It's a lot of experimentation.